Hello, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Uh, Today, I'm going to share some openings for most of freshers, and some of them are for experienced candidate for software tester as well as software developer. So, stay tuned on the videos. Do not skip the video. And I'm one more requesting, just hit the like button before starting the video and share this video as much as possible. Those are looking for the job in software industry. So let's start with the company names, and I will tell you how to apply and what will be the uh, eligibility criteria. So let's start with the company name. So let's first company name is Augusta Technologies is hiring for QA engineers. They are hiring for both automation and manual engineer. Experience they are expecting, it's a big 4+ experience, and job location will be pan India. So if you are interested and eligible for this position, you need to share your profile on udaya.shankar@augustatech.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Because guys, just mention the QA engineer in the subject line while you sending the email to the recruiter. It should be mentioned in your subject line. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Balbas Technologies. They are hiring for automation test engineer. So job role is QA engineer. So guys, job role is very important while you sending the resume to the recruiter. It should be mentioned in your subject line. So job role is QA engineer. Please make a note of it. Experience they are expecting 2 to 3 years. Job location will be Chennai. Skills they are expecting Selenium, Java, BDD, Cucumber with the experience of manual testing and API testing and SQL as well. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on harishkumar.s@balbas.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. So check the letter by letter spelling before sending the resume to the recruiter. So let's move on the next company. So the next company name is Zero Technologies. They are hiring for a manual test engineer. So role name is manual test engineer, and it should be mentioned in your subject line. And job location will be Bangalore. Experience they are expecting 1+ years. Mandatory skills are database testing, API testing using Postman, web application testing, mobile application testing. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on soumya@0zilla.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is TechZ Technologies. They are hiring for a manual test engineer. Job role is manual QA engineer, manual. So it should be mentioned in your subject line. Subject line should be QA engineer manual and slash. You need to mention your year of experience. Means they are expecting a minimum 1 years of experience. So you need to mention in subject line. So minimum 1 year of experience they are expecting. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, fulfill means if you have 1+ years of experience, so you need to share your profile on nikita.techjet.ai. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Workfox Solutions. It might be consultant, or it might be a company. If you want to share, you can share, else you can ignore this position. So the company name is Workfox Solutions. They are hiring for quality engineers, technology automation plus manual QA. Experience they are expecting 3 to 7 years. Maximum budget is 15 lakh to 20 lakh per annum. So this is the quality engineer for Singapore based product based company. Okay, fintech, I think name is fintech company. So candidate should have a strong communication skill. So preferably to immediate joiners they are expecting. If you are able to join immediately and fulfill these criteria, you need to share your profile on shubham.workfoxsolutions.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. Before moving the next company name and opening, so I would like to request you, if you still not join our Telegram channel, so please do like the Telegram channel and Instagram. because many time I have posted many openings on Telegram and Instagram. So do make sure do subscribe our channel on YouTube, Telegram, and Instagram as well. So I'm posting different openings on this social media platform. Okay, and let's move on the next company. The next company name is Software Media Technologies. They are hiring for a fresher for manual testing internship. So this position will be for internship guys. Quality assurance interns. They are joining for looking for the freshers candidates. So if you are interested, you need to share your profile on malini@softwillmedia.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. So the next company name or it might be a consultant. It depends on you if you want to share your profile or not. And make sure guys, do not pay a single rupees to anyone. If anyone asks money for your interview, so it might be a fake. Do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Make sure. So let's move on the next opening. So they are hiring for manual testing. Experience they are expecting 1+ years. Location will be Ahmednagar. Work timing will be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. or 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's a 5 days working. Required candidates minimum 1+ years of experience in the same field. Basic knowledge of programming language. QA methodologies should know analyzing a technical characteristic of equipment system. Conducting a product testing after its a presentation, testing and analyzing the result. Collaborating on quality assurance with the team and internal team with the development team. So the maximum budget for it is 40,000 per month. So if you are interested and eligible this criteria, you need to share your profile on contact@venuehr.co.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see here on the screen. So please check out the spelling letter by letter before sending the resume. It will help you to avoid your email bombast. If if you note down the wrong email ID, so it will be your mail will be not delivered. You will get a bounce back email. Okay. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Humilitics Processing. They are hiring for a full stack or developer. Experience 0 to 1 year means freshers also can apply here for full stack or developer. They are expecting trained freshers. If you did any course, you can share your profile over here. So if you are eligible and interested for this position, you need to share your profile on lalit.mishra@humilitics.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. Before moving the next company name and openings, so I would inform to one thing, guys. We are those are attending our live session, means yesterday live session. So I have inform you we are starting resume building services, but it will be the paid and for resume it will be we are charging 200 rupees per month. If you are interested, you can reach me. We will share my contact details, WhatsApp details for those candidates who want to build a resume from me. Okay, and for that resume building, I will share a separate video on channel in next 2-3 days. So stay tuned. If you are interested, you need to reach me out on Instagram first. After that, I will share my number. So we'll discuss on call first, then we will develop your resume. Okay, no issue. We will do that one. If you are interested, you can reach me. Else, you can ignore it. No issue. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Notion. They are hiring for delivery manager, full stack developer, Android developer, and quality analyst as well. It's quality analyst for manual and automation testing. Experience for quality analyst 1 to 3 year, Android developer 1 to 2 year, full stack React.js plus Node.js experience they are expecting 3 to 5 years. Okay. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on hr@itakenotion.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Birlo Technologies. They are hiring for Salesforce quality analyst, manual tester. So role name is Salesforce QA, and it should be mentioned your subject line. So role is Salesforce QA. Experience they're expecting 2 to 6 years. Job location will be Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Bengaluru. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on satya.jaiprakash@birloio.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, please check letter by letter spelling. My pronunciation may be may got wrong. So just check it out, the spelling. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Tab Digital Technologies. They are hiring for quality engineer. Experience they're expecting 0 to 1 years, means freshers also can apply over here. Location will be Mohali, Punjab. 5 days working, and they are hiring manual and automation both. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on info@tabdigi.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Poly9 is hiring for urgently hiring for software quality analyst for QA profile. Skills they are expecting manual testing, Jira, Agile methodology. Experience they are expecting 1 year, minimum 1 year year experience they are expecting. Package hike last drawn salary, means it's your current CTC. It depends on your next salary. And the job location will be Ahmednagar. If you are interested and eligible, you need to share your profile on careers@poly9.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. Okay, guys, I already told you around 13 to 14 companies opening. So go and apply. If you have any doubt, you need to ask me something. You can reach me on Instagram. My Instagram handle you can see here. Else you can find my Instagram handle link in the description below. You can directly click and reach my on Instagram account. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me over there. And regarding our resume building a service, so we will launching this soon, and we will make I will make a separate video, and I will share my contact details on that email ID on that next upcoming video. So it will be I will share this video on within next 2-3 days. Okay, no issue. If you are interested, you need to reach me on Instagram first, and I will share my contact numbers as well. So no issue. And lastly, I would like to request you, please hit the like button. Please hit the like button in the next 10 seconds. Please. Okay, you hit the like button. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the hitting the like button, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.